Hey everyone, it's James Winter back with another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing and some diecast. So yeah, first one I got from Walmart today was Kevin Harvick's Wave 1, Freak Yeah 4-card Jimmy Johnson, and also I got the Paul Menard 21 Darlington I think but I got free hood from both Wave 1 as well. So yeah. So basically I'm gonna open these because that's entertaining. Foot power. Wee! 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 Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got it. I got it. Oh. So basically ignore my dirty socks. Let's review the magnet. Magnet review. Apparently a magnet, so that's pretty cool. I get this. It's a pretty cool one, but no one cares about that. Yeet. Time for the car, though. Ooh. The freaky, I really like this one. I really like this one. I think it's from the hood, in a sandwich. Oh crap, I just dropped it. And I just like this entire car. I like the paint scheme, all of this. I like all of this. It's pretty good. Okay, so now I got Paul Menard here with the free hood. And this is not a magnet, but it's not anything else. It's just a free hood, not a magnet like last time. And yeah, I'll just open this. I'm opening it up. And yeah, opening it up. If I could open it. And so basically, I'm gonna finally open this. And sorry if you hear Fortnite or someone in the background. It's my little brother. Yeah. And hopefully I could get this good. NASCAR Authentics. But anyways, I really like this. The car is pretty nice. I like the golden 21, like how it was, like the actual like Darlington race. I actually like that, and the hood's pretty good too. It's pretty good. I like it. So yeah. So if you guys like this, please leave a like. If you want, subscribe as well. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. I'm almost there. So yeah. Bye guys.